Button. So here we go. So we're still working with the sine rule, but we're being asked to find today angles instead of sides. So I guess as always, write down your formula first. We've got A over sine A equals B over sine B equals C over sine C. Of course, two equal signs, we're not going to use all of that. We need to work out which bits we're going to use and get rid of the rest. We have, so theta is there at A, so we're definitely interested in sine of A. We have the side length for little a, so we give that a tick. We have, let's have a look at B. Well, we neither have the angle or the side, so I'm pretty sure we're not going to use that part of it. We have side C, and we have a value there at C for the angle, so that's the part of the formula we're going to use, is A over sine A equals C over sine C. So A there is 20 over sine of theta equals C, which is 9, over sine of 15. And now we need to solve for theta. So we're pretty used to this. We need to, but to do it, we need to make sine theta, first of all, the subject of these equations. That's a bit tricky because it's there on the denominator, but we can do it. So the first thing we're going to do is multiply both sides by sine theta. Okay. Here they're going to cancel out, and then it effectively moves it over there. So we get 20 equals 9 over sine 15 times sine theta. Okay, now we want to get rid of this. We just want sine theta by itself. We're close. What we need to do is to divide both sides by 9 over sine 15. So let's try and do that. So if I divided this side by 9 over sine 15, I know it's going to cancel. On this side, it's kind of weird because we've got fractions within fractions, but we've got, so 20 divided by 9 over sine 15. We'll solve that all in a minute. But we know that that's going to be cancelled by that. So we should end up with sine theta equals 20 divided by 9 over sine 15. Now you can probably just do that in your calculator, exactly like that. And you'll come up with a value for that. So let's do that. Sine theta equals, let's see if my calculator can handle that. 20 divided by 9 divided by sine 15. I got low battery is the answer. Low battery. Thank you very much, calculator. Has anyone got a calculator I can borrow, please?
Like a charger, John?
A charger for the calculator. Well, it's meant to be solar. Thank you. Let's try that again. We want 20 divided by 9 divided by sine 15. So I get the answer as 0.5751. So 0.5751 and so on. Now to get theta, we actually need, so theta is going to be sine to the minus 1 of 0.5751 ... Now I've just kept that value in my calculator, and hopefully I can do an inverse sine of that. So just give me a second. So sine of the -1 of the answer gives me 35.11 degrees, and it wants it to the nearest degree. So we're going to go theta equals 35 degrees. Okay, now that's some tricky algebra because we're dividing by fractions. So it's going to take some practice to master that, I would say. All right, button.